Hi there, welcome back to another yoga flow. Today's video is all about working on the back bends to help the spine and feel more energized after this practice. So let's get started. All you need is yourself, a yoga mat, and a will to flow with me. So let's get started. Firstly, sit on Vajrasana, where your hips are over your heels. Try to keep the knees together. Sit over them. Keep your spine in the neutral curve and keep your hands over knees. Close your eyes if you haven't already and take breath. Inhale and exhale mindfully and try to center yourself with your breath. No slow or no fast breathing, just the usual breathing pattern. Stay still. And after 3 to 5 rounds of breath, start making some gentle movement and come on all fours. And then stretch your right wrist, keeping the right fingers grounded. Similarly, stretch the left side. Keep the right one grounded, knees intact. You can keep your toes tucked in or out. This time go a little deeper by bending the left elbow. Now stretch the left hand while bending the right elbow. Stretch nicely. And with exhale, come back to all fours. Now at this moment, take an inhale. And with the exhale, gently extend the right foot at the back while keeping the stance intact. And gentle give a mild stretch to your hip while extending the right leg really nice while keeping the left intact. Now lift up the right feet and then take it to the air, maybe parallel to the hips or a little beyond. And then eventually exhale, bring it back to the neutral position. Now with inhale and exhale, bring the left foot back, extend it really nice, rock it back while having control over the hips. And when you feel ready with the inhale, you bring it to the hip level up and down. Inhale up and down. Do it a couple of times to create some momentum in and around your hips along with your hamstrings. And then with a bigger exhale, bring back to the neutral position. Now at this moment from the all fours, inhale, look up and exhale, chin to chest by curling the spine. Inhale, bring an extension, keep looking away and exhale, roll the spine and look at the navel. Inhale again and then exhale, roll it up. And then eventually sit back in Vajrasana. Stay here, take a moment, take some deep breath before you move ahead. Now at this moment, lower down your body, keeping the forearm grounded, and then eventually lie down over your belly on the yoga mat. Keep your forearm right in front of the body. Make yourself comfortably aligned. Extend the toes at the back. Keep them hip width apart. And with the inhale, get into a comfortable back bend. This is the very first comfortable, easy back bend for you. Try to hold this for as long as you can. Remember to keep the stance as it is and breathe throughout. Breathe nicely and maintain the spinal stretch without having any pain or discomfort in the lower back and in the shoulder. Continue to hold and breathe. Remember to keep your toes pointed at the back. And then with exhale, eventually lower down your upper body and relax. Now bring the palms next to the shoulder And with inhale, you lift up. You lift high or low wherever you are most comfortable. You can lift as high as you want without compromising the posture and bringing the shoulder close to the ear. And then with exhale, lower down and relax again. Maintain the handstands and inhale, lift up back in the Bhujangasana and probably lift the knees up to upward facing dog. Breathe nicely and hold and continue breathing. And with exhale, drop your knees first and drop the upper body and relax over here. Start folding one leg at a time. First the right one and then the left one. Now this time bring both of them together and try to grab them from the shin bone. If you are comfortable so, with inhale, lift up the upper body in Dhanurasana. Keep chest open, shoulders away from the ear and hold the pose and continue to breathe. And then with exhale, lower it down and release the legs and relax. Breathe nicely. Again, fold one leg, the other one, and keep swaying them one at a time. And then bring both the feet at your pelvic floor. And then support your right leg using the left feet and get into a Shalbhasana. Keep looking forward or down, whatever you are most comfortable at, and balance your lifted leg while lifting the leg up there. Exhale, release. Change the leg stance. This time lift up the left leg up while maintaining it with the right feet. Breathe nicely over here. And then with exhale, release. Extend both the toes at the back. Release both the hands. And then relax here. Take some breath. And when you start feeling comfortable, eventually change your side and lie down over your back over the yoga mat. First, hug your knees, bring them close to the chest. Keep breathing. Let your spine feel all the blood coming in. And then rotate your wrists to warm them up and give some nice mobility. Then keep the palms right next to the shoulder. Adjust yourself and with inhale, you gently lift up your body in Chakrasana, also called as Urdhva Dhanurasana, wheel pose. Keep looking between thumb or over the yoga mat. Keep the core engaged, hips strong, legs strong, and keep holding the wheel pose nicely. Keep breathing. And after 4 to 5 rounds of breath, with control, first drop your top of the head and eventually the whole body without any jerk. Now again, hug your knee and feel all the changes in your spine right after this intense back bend. And from here again, get into all your fours first. And then extend your arms and take few rounds of breath in child's pose. Stretch your arms as nice, as long you can. Lower down your hips as much you can. And breathe. Breathe nicely. And then inhale, come up. And then with exhale, lift up the knees from the yoga mat. Keep changing and paddling your each leg while folding the knee in downward facing dog while keeping the arm strong and stable. Keep looking at the navel or in between the heel or in between the thumbs. And then it's time to hold the downward facing dog. Keep your hips facing the ceiling. Hold the pose. And then with inhale, fold the right knee and extend up in the air and bring it back. Bring it close to the forearm and up, and then bring it back and take it step right next to the right palm. And then exhale, come back to downward facing dog. Now fold left knee, bring close to the chest and up in the air, and then bring it right next to the left palm. Hold it up there and release, lower down the knees and relax. Now it's time to relax completely in child's pose. Extend the arms and feel the nice stretch in the spine and in the arms. Now it's time to spread the knees a little wider, extend the arms more further and lowering down the hips even more over the heel. Feel all the nice feeling in your spine. Feel the little changes or the bigger changes which you might be feeling through your backbend practice in your spine, in your arms, in your shoulder, and even in your lower body and in your core. Relax completely. Use this time to relax and let all the blood which has started flowing very fast through all the backbend practice settle and feel relaxed. With every exhale, try to lower down your arms and relax your shoulders a little bit more. Extend the hands a little further with every exhalation. Try to lower down your hips over your heels as you exhale more, and do not put any extra pressure on your knees. Remember to bring chest over the yoga mat or chin over the yoga mat, but it's okay if that feels unachievable at this moment. Let your whole body feel relaxed, calm, rejuvenated after this practice. Take some gentle notes from today's practice, that what went really well for today's practice and what are the things which you can improve on tomorrow's practice. This flow can be really helpful in starting your day and feeling really high in terms of energy and rejuvenated to kickstart your day. And also it is extremely good for your spinal health to make you feel more even younger. Let yourself feel more relaxed and be in the pose and spend as long as you want. And whenever you feel ready, you can gently lift up your upper body and sit up straight and take some more round of breath over here. And then reduce the knee stance and eventually rub your palms, gather all the energy, place your hands over your face and gently open your eyes, and you're all good to end your practice. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like I always say, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.